Next question was from Susan, and she had a question about those really interesting wavy lines. She had an illustration in the forum, and those wavy lines are done with okay, let me just answer. Nana, you said, why blur in the front? It's because the focus not being in the front, whatever is off the focus, further or closer, will be off focus. That's why sometimes you'll see photographers, they will frame the photo with, I don't know, a branch, leaves or flowers, and those are out of focus so that you can actually focus on the actual subject. Okay, so back to Susan's question. Those wavy lines are not done natively in PaintShop. I wish it was possible, but it is done using a plugin that is called Sinedot or Sinedot II. That plugin is a 32-bit plugin. So it means that directly you cannot use it in 2023. So I have my 2022 here open, and I can go under Effects, Plugin. It's under Dragonfly. That's how it appears, and it's Sinedot. So Sinedot is looks kind of scary. Look at that. I have really no idea what all those dials mean, but you have a few presets that exist that you can use. Some people might know and understand exactly what each dial means, but you can just play around and you can see how this is changing. And those lines are a little bit like what we used to use the spirograph to make all kinds of lines. And these, you can change things. And if you are patient enough, you might understand exactly what each dial does. And if you want to make a specific shape, but this is really cool. And once you're done, you click OK. And oh, I forgot at this point, sorry. There is a way to not get that black background. Instead of normal here, I'm going to use screen. So now I have a transparent background. And those lines, if I want to change them, I can lock the transparency, choose a different color, select all, Control A, and flood fill. You can see how it changes color. Now, if you don't have an older version and you want to use it with PaintShop 2023, you can, but only partially. First, you would have to use the plugin bridge plugin, and I have here, it's under Media Chance, 32-bit plugin bridge, and I have my Sinedot I can run. So that will let me use this plugin in PaintShop 2023. One thing I've found is that although I can use the screen here or whatever I choose, I can't seem to get rid of the black. So once I click OK, I either have a background or nothing. So for this one, I'm going to just fill with white. and go back to Effects, 3D 32, run the Sinedot, and I'll do normal. I get this, and I have that black background. I still have the watermark because I did not buy the plugin bridge. But see, you have a background, you can't seem to get it without a background. However, you can work around this by removing the black. So you can go with Control A, go to Selection, Modify, select Color Range, and you choose black because that's what you want to remove. Tolerance, softness, you can just adjust that. I just want to make sure I don't get any black, but I don't want to remove everything either. That will select all, like everything. I will invert the selection with Control-Shift-I and hit the delete key. And now I can deselect with Control-D. It looks kind of odd because it probably keeps some of the black, but then I can just go back here and choose the green, lock the transparency, select all, and get my color, and that way I don't get that black. I can choose different color if I want the purple, and you can see closer what it looks like. So it's like those lines. In this case, it's probably chewed up a little bit. You have more dots than lines. If you compare to the one here, well, maybe not that much. But that is how you would create those kind of fancy lines that can be used for we would usually see that on security things, so like money, so it's kind of harder to photocopy and stuff like that. So Sinedot, at this point, it does not exist in a 64-bit version. So you either have to use an older version of PaintShop or use the Bridge plugin. I would suggest that you don't use the Bridge plugin simply because that way you're not stuck with the background and having to go through extra steps. But if you only have 2023, that would work. So to summarize, in the Sinedot is under Effects, Plugins. It would be Dragonfly, because if you look for Sinedot, it's not going to appear. It's Dragonfly Sinedot. For 2023, it would have to be Plugins Media Chance 32-bit plugin to get the Bridge plugin, and then in the Bridge plugin, there is a tutorial in the campus, in the blog, how to import whichever plugin you want to add. Not all plugins will import correctly. Some won't, but at least you can recover a few. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the campus!